He's looking right at me. I have a little young barred hawk. I believe they also call him Cooper's hawk that has now decided he wants to live in my yard because I feed the birdies over there. That's where I feed the birds. And there's the hawk, but I haven't fed him today. He's waiting for me to bring the food out too, not because he eats bird food, because he eats the birdies that eat the bird food. And I am the Mystic Hawk, so yes, I have a resident hawk, everybody. Here he is. It's not a red tail. He's a little barred hawk. He's got a bigger mama around here too. That's the baby. I don't want to go outside because that'll flush him, of course, so I'm trying to do this through my window. Look at there. That's the closest I could get it. Hawk hunting my birds. And they gotta eat too. Since I told him, of course, I'm not gonna give him a hard time. He sees me. He's looking at me. I think he's picked up one foot. Looking around for them birdies. And birdies are talking about him too. You can hear him going, cheep, 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 hawk. Talking about that hawk. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oop, there it is. Had to move my hand. It's funny how he's got that one foot tucked in there. Like he's resting one foot. Got it up in his down, keeping his feet warm. Wonder if he's gonna try change them out.